Welcome back to another video. In this video we are going to be making windows for this extension tower. We're going to be focusing on the last windows which are left, which is the bay window, which we haven't done yet. And these are the hardest ones because we do want them opening, the two windows and the two side ones. And this time we're going to be doing it a bit different. We're going to use a bit more proper material and a nice precise material. So let's not waste any time and get started with making the windows. Further.
Window framing production line is ready.
So before we get started with routering, we're going to show you which wood we're going to use. Usually we use this one, which is 5x5 wood, so 5 centimeters by 5 centimeters, and it works perfectly fine, but it does make the frame not the strongest, and also the insulation values are a lot lower, of course it's a lot smaller, and the strength. So we are going to be switching for these windows to this wood. So this one's a lot more bigger wood, and this one is also planed and calibrated, fully dry wood. It's not cheap, that's why we didn't do the whole extension. Would be nice to do all of it, but we could always come back and redo it in theory as well. It's exactly same fatness, bitty skinnier even by half a centimeter, a bit less than half a centimeter clearly. And because we want them open the windows, we want a bit stronger frame for opening windows. So I think so it doesn't flex in the future or breaks in full if the glass falls down. So yeah, since it is just holding the frame kind of together, so you a lot more wood equals a lot more strength. So that's the wood we're going to be using. So let's get started and router it.
Good quality wood makes absolutely no problem. He's not scared at all.
So it looks really nice. I feel like working with a nice straight material is definitely 100% difference from what we were used to. Working with the sideways jiggly wood that we've been using. And of course our wood is not fully dried out. This is all dry wood. So definitely a lot better. The router even liked it more because of the dryness of the wood. I guess it doesn't clog up as much. So it does create a much nicer end product. And also the lines are perfectly straight because the wood is also planed and calibrated. So yeah, now we are ready for putting in the windows. So we cut them to size and put them in the windows. We have to clean all the glass and that should be kind of it. We should be able to assemble it and then put them in. So yeah, let's get started and clean the windows and start assembling them.
That's a weird sky.
Hey, I generated. And like, those are really high up clouds and the lower clouds are like these big puffy rain clouds.
That looks nice. That's
Well,
an upgrade.
Level 2 of window, level 3 of window making. First level was not the nicest. Second level we improved the connection, and third level improved the material. And I believe that this is a good stage of the windows. Still have a bit of work to do with doing some silicone around the window, like around this edge. But besides this, it looks absolutely professional.
Looks really like nice and I don't know.
Yeah.
Really good. Okay, 3 more to go. And then we can go put them up. Baby! Thank you for taking over while we had a quick break, Poo Poo.
Look at the window they built. Same as
Good
me.
job, Poo Poo.
Poo Poo, don't even have any hands. You built this amazing window.
Wow, Poo Poo.
You're saying bye-bye? Bye-bye? So the windows have been made, and I can't really show you the windows or have them next to me because we have already progressed much further. We already have done the siding and we have installed the windows, we've done the siding, so we are a lot more further. And you're gonna see tomorrow the video of us installing the windows. It was also a big mess because we had to redo all the framing. Well, not redo it, but we were missing a lot of framing, so we're gonna be adding all the structural framing. We're gonna be adding a lot of extras that we don't have currently on the bay window, so it's gonna look really nice. So make sure you check out tomorrow's video, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.